Right, let's have a go at evaluating this expression. To do this, we need to start at the lowest level. So we've got this big cube root here. Inside that we've got a square root, and inside that we've got another square root. So we're going to start here. So the square root of 9 gives us 3. If we add that to the 22, we get 25. And all of this is inside a square root. So in other words, that is the square root of 25. This is added to 22. So this becomes the square root of 25 is 5 plus 22 is 27. So everything inside the cube root sign we've evaluated to 27. So this is now the cube root of 27. In other words, what number multiplied by itself 3 times gives you 27? Well, the answer is 3. Hope you like that. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you next time.